Hi, this is Tracy from Tech Support Services. This video will show you how to use Cami with Canvas to allow your students to complete and turn in PDF assignments. We had a method to do this in the past, but it took 6 or 7 steps. And since we purchased the education version of Cami, we could integrate it directly into Canvas, saving a bunch of clicks for both you and your students. First, I'm going to show you how to create the assignments, and then I'll post another video that shows students how to complete them and turn them in. So the first thing you have to do to create a Cami assignment, and this is a lot like creating a Google Cloud assignment, is to create your assignment. We'll give it a name. Then if you had directions for the assignment that you wanted to give to students, you can put them in here. This might include the video that I'm going to make showing students how to complete the assignment. Then, like a Google Cloud assignment, you go to the submission type for the assignment and select External Tool. Click Find, and then scroll down. There's your Google Cloud assignment. Right underneath it, you'll see Cami Google Drive assignment. Choose that. Now, if you've never signed into Cami before, at this point, it's going to ask you to sign in. Use your Google account. That's the one that has the @STU. From there, it opens up your Google Drive, and this is where you'll select the PDF file that you would like to attach to this assignment. You'll probably want to upload those in advance, but if it was on your computer and you hadn't uploaded it before, you can do it right here with this upload button. In this case, we're just going to pull a file out of my drive, and since Cami likes to work with PDFs, if we click on PDFs right here, it will show us only our PDF file. So this is the one that I want to attach to this assignment. I clicked once on it, choose Select, and it will upload this file directly into the assignment. Now this seems a little strange since we already selected, but select again. And then because their devices' screens are so small, I think it helps to load the tool into a new tab and get rid of all of the Canvas menuing that would go if we didn't click this box right here. Now, a new feature as of the filming of this video today is that you can say how many times a student can submit an assignment so that they can't keep submitting and submitting and submitting over and over again. And let me make sure I've got enough things checked to at least get this to go to my test student. Goes to everyone. All right, let's see if we got this. Once we save and publish, then we can go into the student view and see what this looks like for them. So on your side, you won't see what it's going to look like for the student yet, but check out the next video to see how students will interact with this type of assignment. Now you know how to quickly add a Cami assignment so that students can complete PDF worksheets and submit them in Canvas. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have questions about this.